Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can fix the Roblox Error Code 268 kicked due to unexpected client behavior, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So once you face that error in the Roblox window, simply close the Roblox window first and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then make a restart your windows. So once you have restarted your windows, try to launch the Roblox application and see if the problem has been fixed. Next method, press the Windows key and R button together. Here in the Run window, type percent local app data percent and click on OK. Then here in the list of folders, you need to look for the Roblox folder. And once you find that, right click and then select delete. Once done, close this window and then launch the application. Then press the Windows key and R button together. Again, we are also going to clear temporary files. So type here temp. Click on OK. Then click on one folder and then press Ctrl plus A on keyboard and then hit the delete bin at the top. Do this for all the current times and just click on skip. Once done, simply close this window. Then we are also going to run some commands in the command prompt. So in the Windows search bar, type here cmd. Best match command prompt. On the right pane, click on run as administrator. Then here, just follow me for the commands. First command, ipconfig space / flush DNS. It's ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit on enter. Next command, netsh space winsock space reset. It's netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Next command, ipconfig space / release. Hit enter. And for the last command, ipconfig space / renew and hit on enter. Now once done, just type exit and then hit enter and just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and then make a restart of your windows. Then we also need to clear the browser cookies by opening the browser. So type here Chrome. Google Chrome will appear under the best match. On the top right corner, click on these three dots. Scroll down and click on settings. On the left pane, what you'll have to do, you need to click on this privacy and security. Under privacy and security, you have delete browsing data. Click on that. Basic and the advanced tab. You have to click on the advanced. Time range, change this to all time. Browsing history check, download history check, cookies and other site data check, cached images and files check, passwords and other sign-in data, do not check that. Autofill form data, do not check that. Site settings checked, hosted app data checked, and then click on delete data. And still on the left pane, click on reset settings. Restore settings to the original defaults, click on that. And finally, click on reset settings. Once done, close this window. Then click on this show hidden icons. We are also going to temporarily disable the antivirus. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like the Malwarebytes, McAfee, or Avast, so I'm using Malwarebytes. Right-click and then select Quit. And also click on the Windows security icon. Then here, click on Virus and Threat Protection in the left pane. Virus and Threat Protection Settings, Manage Settings, click on that. And then disable the real-time protection. So once you have disabled the real-time protection, launch the Roblox application and see if the problem has been fixed. And then if the problem has been fixed, you just have to enable this again. Then finally, we are going to uninstall the application for the last method. Click on the Start button, go to Settings. On the left pane, click on Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Then here, search for Roblox. Click on these three dots, select Uninstall and then uninstall once again. So once you have uninstalled the application, then you just have to open a browser. So let's open the Edge browser. Click on this. Then here type in the search bar Roblox download. It's Roblox download and then hit on enter. Scroll down a bit. And you will find this www.roblox.com. Click on Roblox. It's www.roblox.com, and here you just have to log in with your account and then just reinstall the Roblox application into your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.